How to use the WordPress Tools section. Log into your WordPress account and you will see this page. On the dashboard, under Users, hover on Tools. Click on Import. This is used for importing content. To import, search for the file you need to import. Click on the Install Now button. Click on the Run Importer button. Click on the Choose File button and select the file you need to import. Click on the Upload File and Open button. That's it, you have successfully imported content. On the dashboard, under Users, hover on Tools. Click on Export. This is used for exporting the content if necessary. Select the content you need to export. For example, here we selected all content. Click on Download Export File. Your file will be downloaded as an XML file. It helps us to move our existing WordPress blog to a new server. That's it, you have successfully learned to use the Tools section in WordPress. Thank you for watching. Please contact us if you need any further support.